In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to duplicate Facebook ads campaign. All right. So watch me as I show you exactly how you can duplicate your Facebook ad. In case you don't know what duplicate means actually it's more of like photocopying your ad. Like when you just go to a computer center, a cafe, you give them a document and they photocopy it for you. All right. So that's exactly how you can do that too on your Facebook ad manager. This time you want to photocopy your ad to different copies. All right. So follow me as I show you how to do that right now.
Alright, so guys, to duplicate an ad, come to adsmanager.facebook.com, alright, and it's going to take you to this windows. So click on the ad you want to duplicate, alright, then click on this, click here, then click on this edit here, alright, click on this edit here, and it's going to take you to this windows, alright, where you can edit your ad. Now, as you can see, we only have only one ad here, right? We only have only one ad here. I want to duplicate the ad. Now, what is a duplicate? Duplicate means more of like copying something, like photocopy. Like when you go to a cafe, you want to photocopy a document, you are going to give them the paper, and then they are going to photocopy it into different copies for you. So that is what you want to do. This time, you want to photocopy the ad. Now, on the ad level, alright, you click on this three dot icon here in front of the ad level. Now this is our first ad now, which is this video here. So I want to duplicate the ad. How do you do that? You come here, you click on it, right? Then you click on duplicate. Then you can now say how many numbers do you want to, how many copies do you want? Which is how many photocopy do you want? You can just okay, let's do 4. Right? Then you can now click on, always make sure that you tick this, then click on duplicate. Right? And your ad is going to copy into additional 4 parts. Now, why is it important that you duplicate your ad? So that you can have different variations of your ad. Alright, so that when you want to have different variations, you don't have to be putting the text, the link, everything manually again. Right? And another thing is that duplicating your ad is going to make it very easy for you. Let's say you are running an ad and the ad is not working, or the ad is fatigue and you want to put it again. Instead of just trying to build everything from scratch, you can just duplicate the original one, which is this one from cafe level, and you edit it and you are good to go. Right? Now we have duplicated our ad into 4 additional parts. How do you now make use of it? Now, on the first copy, you can just click on it. Right? Let's say you are creating ad from the start. In the first copy, you can click on it. As you can see, all our write-up, our primary text, our link, our headline is intact on our copy. All we just want to do is, what we want to do most times is just to put another creative here. Right? Because when you are running ads, you want to try different creative. Right? So we just scroll down now. Right? Scroll up now. Then all this media level, you just click on the delete. Right? Then click on add media. Click on add media. Then you can now decide to add a video. Or let's just add a picture instead. You can decide to add a picture. You can click next. Right? So let's say this is the picture I want to use now. You can just decide to enter this picture here. You can click next. Right? I click next. Okay, let's say this picture I want to use. You can just decide to select this picture. You can click next, and done. Right. So now you now have 2 variations of your ad. One is a video, the one is a picture. Now the other photocopies you did, they're going to do the same thing. You just change the medias, or which is either the picture or the video. Right? When you're running your ad, you want to use different versions of your ad. You want to use flyer, you want to use UGC content, you want to even use AI videos, you want to use talking head video, like talking to the camera directly. You want to do faceless, alright? And a lot of you want to even do demonstration videos, just going behind. You can even do demonstration video, a faceless video without you showing up, just pointing your camera on your product or your goods and talking about it and what they should do to get it at bulk order price. And a lot of things you can do different. You want to just use different creative, different variations, and put everything in the market, right? And then the market votes and get you the best result as possible. You don't do one creative here and relax. Right? So that's why it's important to duplicate an ad. Now let's say you want to try. Now this asset level now you are doing broad targeting. Now let's say you want to duplicate an ad for you want to try different audience. Let's say this our broad targeting is working and all our creative is working, which is all our photocopy of our ad is working. our videos, our UGC, our AI videos, our talking head videos, our behind the scene video, our demonstration video, and list just goes like that. Everything is working. Now, I want to try different audience or even scale our ad, try different audiences. What do we now do? Instead of duplicating the ad level, we come to the asset level, which is this place here, right? Which is this place here, the asset level. Just click on it, right? How do you know that you are in the asset level? Once you click on the asset level, you're going to see this here, asset name, right? Once you just see asset level, once you see this thing here, asset name, you know that you are in the asset level. Then you click this one, let's go back to the ad level. You click this one now, which is where you put your videos and your pictures. You see this ad name. You don't assume that you are the ad level, but let's go back to the asset level. Right, so go to the asset level. Confirm that asset name is showing here. That is why the ad level. Now, what do we want to do? We want to duplicate the asset level this time, not the ad itself. Right, so we duplicate the ad set. Click the three dot at the front of the ad set column. Then click on quickly duplicate. Then we need to photocopy our assets and even all our 5 ads at once, right? Because all the ads are under the asset. Look at it. Look at our new photocopy of our assets now. And all our ads also follow too, right? Now, what do we want to do? This time, we just want to edit the audience. So click on this one here now. Right, click on this one now. Let's rename it. Let's see this time. We want to target interest targeting. We want to target digital marketing, people that are interested in digital marketing. So rename it first to know that, oh, this interest here, this targeting, I am actually targeting the digital marketers, right? So once you have done that, scroll down. The only thing we want to do here, we are not going to edit any of the ad, right? What we want to do, we just want to do detailed targeting here. Now, others suggest an audience. Remember, we're still on the asset level, the new asset we just duplicated, right? On that suggest an audience, click on this show settings. Then scroll down. Click on detailed targeting, right? Click it. You can now enter your interest. Okay, let's say you want to target fashion designers, because I have to enter sewing machine, which is the tools they are using, alright? All the people they are following, all the books they are reading, alright? The sewing machine. Right, so just type sewing machine. Look at it, interest sewing machine. If I select this now, I'm targeting tailors. Right, I'm targeting tailors. Why do you think I'm targeting tailors? Because a carpenter will not be interested in sewing machine. A bricklayer will not be interested in sewing machine. Only a fashion designer will be interested in sewing machine. Right? Or you think of it. Let's say a business book now. I'm targeting books of business. These people that are interested in business that are reading those books, I can target those books too, or the people they are following, or even the interest. Right? So I'll just remove this now. Let me show you. Let's have to target digital marketers. Digital marketers. Right, look at it. Digital marketing. Right. So you can see now my digital targeting. I'm not just targeting digital marketing. So that's how you duplicate your ad from the ad level to the asset level, right? And one more time, I'm going to show you how to duplicate it from the ad level to that is if you want to scale, right, with another method. This is one way to scale, right? Now you can see how you duplicate your ad correctly. First of all, you duplicate all the ads into different variations. Now you duplicate the ad set, right? Now all this our ad will not be competing against this audience to see if this audience is also going to work. Before you do this, you want to make sure that you have used broad targeting to try all of your creative. If your creative are not working, that is when you now use your creative to try new audiences, to try new targeting like interest-based targeting, custom targeting, look-alike targeting, and all that. Right? Now, if you want to learn how to use all the 4 targeting options of Meta, make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel, right? Because I'm going to drop another video. I'm going to show you how to utilize the 4 targeting options on Facebook, right? For now, I'm just showing you 2, right? The first one is broad. You don't put anything on the interest, you just leave it empty. And the second one is interest targeting, right? Now, to learn the other 2, make sure you like this video, you subscribe to this channel, you turn on the notification bell so that when I drop that video, you don't miss it out, right? Because it's very important that when you start getting what is working, you want to try different audiences too. Who knows? Maybe when you try another targeting, might just be the one that's going to give you cheap results, cheap sales, good results. Right, so if you are getting results from one, you don't just want to relax. Right, now we have done that. Let me show you how to duplicate the asset level. Let's say you want to scale the ad from you just want to duplicate a fresh ad. How do that? Is very simple. Come to the ads level, right? Come to the ads level. Let me show you how to do that. Now come to the ads level, alright? Like you want to duplicate everything entirely. Come to the ad level. Come to the windows here. Now you see this place. Click on this icon here. Then click on duplicate. Then click on duplicate original setup. But immediately click on duplicate original setup, you're going to duplicate the entire advert for you. Right? This entire campaign will not be two. Like what will not be showing down here. This means you duplicate both the campaign level and the asset level at once. Right? That is if you want a duplicate of this one. So let's say you want to scale. Right? Let's say you want to scale by creating another campaign entirely and put big money instead of you just using the budget gradually. You can decide to duplicate the ad and put big money at once and scale. Why you see allow this one running, especially when you don't want to jeopardize this one after spending so much time to get it right. You can just duplicate the fresh one and put big money to run. Why you allow this one to run, right? Then if you don't do that, on that way you can do that. Just this one I show you now. Right? Just duplicate it from the asset level, then try new targeting, right? And you are good to do. So I trust you have gained value in this video. If you really find value in this video, please share this video to others who need to see this, right? So that they stop wasting money on their marketing, right? And they get to understand how they can actually run profitable Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok ads this year.
If you have gained value in this video, make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, alright? And if you want to learn how to scale your Facebook ads this year, click on this video showing at the top of your screen right now.